Livestock and poultry feeds are increasingly being very expensive, and so farmers are opting to grow their own hydroponic fodder. Welcome to hydroponics fodder farming. We will use maize, so sort it and wash it and remove any unwanted particles. In making hydroponic fodder, you can use maize, wheat, or barley. Soak the maize for 6 hours, then drain the water. Soaking removes impurities and reduces the chances of seed dormancy. After 6 hours, drain the water from the maize and let it sit for 48 hours. You can see that after 48 hours, there's development of shoots and roots. As you can see, our maize has started sprouting. I'm going to place the sprouting maize on my trays that I will use as my hydroponics fodder trays. Place the trays in an area that receives minimal sunlight, but not direct sunlight. On day 3, you can see the shoots are a bit more advanced. Continue watering the maize to ensure it remains moist. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and giving your feedback. I hope through the video you've learned a lot about how to make hydroponic fodder. See you in my next video. Bye.